Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances, resulting in a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Painted to match factory dash color. Holds 3 CD cases in pocket. Factory-style texture. For use when filling double DIN factory opening. Volkswagen radio installation pocket. Top reviews from the United States. It is what you need to get things done. Liked it, arrived promptly and was the right size and fit as advertised. Lifesaver. Fit in my car great, it's a real lifesaver, but sometimes it seemed as if it was popping out a bit. I think that was from how they installed my new radio's cords though, because I popped it out before and wiggled some cords around, then popped it back in and never had that problem again.